Cinema Studio 3 is kind of coming out, and I just want to really quick do a update and check it out together. So why do I care? Well, I'm Harrison, and I build AI and procedural tools for game development, and I've helped ship some of the biggest games in the industry. And I'm obsessed with anything AI, video, and 3D. So let's get in.
Any other model out of the water. Videos. Remember the pinky
It
promise
looks
from
really
earlier?
cool, honestly.
I built this character, now let's make him move. This is where Cinema Studio 3 does something no other tool does. I'm uploading the scene from earlier as a start frame, and then dropping in my character, this action sequence.
Okay.
Now, here's the thing about it isn't gonna be
so
great. Nothing
we're gonna skip
breaks.
through this.
We got this.
So honestly,
But here's where it gets interesting.
those results
I'm
are
not done with
similar
this
to
scene.
Seed
I want
Dance.
to push it further, but I don't want to bother with creating a new keyframe. Well, now I don't need to. There's a woman, and same vibe, scene to scene.
I mean, these are also cherry picked, so
Where have you been?
I met some old friends.
All right, now pay attention to me too.
Alright, that's cool, but
That's something
what
to
about
keep in
no
mind.
start frame and no references? The debris
So-
reacts properly, the physics are just on point. And just so you can see the difference, here's the same prompt, but with Kling 3.0. Okay, I don't think I need to comment on the difference in quality anymore. Just
yeah, I mean that's a pretty big difference. I'm curious, is this their own model or is this some type of comfy UI kind of creation that they
imagine
made?
what we'll
or-
get in 6 months' time, or maybe even less. Okay, we've tried generating with the start frame, we had pure text to video. Here's the next and easily my favorite workflow. I'm not uploading start frame build, but the prompt that every single one of our elements blended in naturally, and all of them stayed consistent across shots. Change.
Oh, this
running.
one's cool.
I'm also
Running
gonna
there.
upload a photo of a dark hallway,
In there.
and the prompt is super simple. Image 1. And look at that. It
That's
relit
pretty
the
good.
guy and copied
But-
the motion perfectly. This is a game changer for
mean, the
when you
relight
wanna
is pretty
change
good.
the background or edit something in an existing video. All right, here's another use case from a business.
Okay, yeah, I mean, I'm sure people would be interested in one-click ads, but
I mean, look at that. This will take you 30 minutes.
all right. So basically, my synopsis is, yes, it's a really good model. I'm guessing they have some type of workflow or some type of boundaries on probably Kling 3, and that's maybe how they're doing this. I don't think they built their own model personally, but I could be wrong. Yeah, I mean, interesting stuff. That fight scene was pretty dang good. And also that, yeah, the building falling.
Debris
That's-
reacts properly, the physics are just on point. And just so you can see the difference, here's the
It's
same
pretty good, especially since they showed
prompt,
the
but with Kling
difference.
3.0. Okay, I don't think I need to comment on the
But they
difference
also
in quality
probably
anymore.
took a pretty bad generation
Imagine what we'll
from
get
VO3
in 6 months' time,
or from
maybe even
Kling
less.
3.
Okay, we've tried generating with the start frame, we had pure text to video. Here's the locked for the entire 12
this
seconds. Nothing breaks.
This is impressive.
We got the same face, same suit, same corridor.
That's like Seed Dance
There's
2 level.
no other model out there that could give us an action sequence like that.
No other model. There is. Seed Dance can definitely do that.
But here's where it gets interesting.
Yeah. So subscribe if you want to see more reviews on this kind of stuff.